Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video we will share another set of drills for professional education. This video contains a questions, correct answer and rationalization. The period of physical, especially sexual, and mental maturation which is characterized by rapid somatic growth is known as blank. A. Infancy. B. Early childhood. C. Puberty. D. Adulthood. Correct answer is letter C. Puberty. Puberty is the period of physical and psychological development during which sexual maturity is achieved and rapid somatic bodily growth occurs. Claustrophobia is an irrational fear of blank. A. Darkness. B. Stranger. C. Closed space. D. Height. Correct answer is letter C. Closed space. Claustrophobia is an irrational fear of confined or enclosed spaces, such as small rooms, elevators, or tunnels. Which is one role play in the preschool and early childhood years? A. Develops competitive spirit. B. Separates reality from fantasy. C. Increase imagination due to expanding knowledge and emotional range. D. Develops the upper and lower limbs. Correct answer is letter C. Increase imagination due to expanding knowledge and emotional range. Role play in preschool and early childhood years helps children increase their imagination and creativity as they engage in pretend play, which allows them to explore different scenarios, emotions, and roles. It aids in their cognitive and social development. How can you exhibit expert power on the first day of school? A. By making them feel you know what you are talking about. B. By telling them the importance of good grades. C. By reminding them your students your authority over them again and again. D. By giving your students a sense of belonging and acceptance. Correct answer is letter A. By making them feel you know what you are talking about. Expert power is based on the perception of others that an individual possesses a high level of knowledge, skills, and expertise in a particular area. On the first day of school, a teacher can exhibit expert power by demonstrating confidence, knowledge, and competence in their subject matter, which will help students feel that the teacher knows what they are talking about and can be trusted as an authority in the classroom. A student teacher receives feedback from the supervising teacher suggesting improvements in their instructional strategies. How should the student teacher respond? A. Disregard the feedback and continue with their current approach. B. Get defensive and argue against the feedback. C. Reflect on the feedback and consider implementing the suggested improvements. D. Conclude that the supervising teacher does not understand their teaching style. Correct answer is letter C. Reflect on the feedback and consider implementing the suggested improvements. Feedback is an essential part of professional growth for a student teacher. It is important to approach feedback with an open mind, reflect on the suggestions provided, and consider implementing the improvements to enhance teaching skills and effectiveness.